Hello, friends. This is our family. Dad Andrew, Mom Hallie, and our little son Michael. We also have a playful dog named Bax. We live in a beautiful house near a river and a forest. This is our small but cozy home. And this is our wonderful garden. Dad and Michael like working in the garden. They plant trees and take care of them. Mom likes to grow flowers near the house. Our dog Bax likes to run and play with Michael. Our family likes to go fishing by the river, to walk in the forest, to ride bicycles, and to have barbecues on weekends. We are a friendly family. We invite you to learn English easily with us. Watch and listen to simple, short cartoons to learn English quickly and easily.